today we're going over the Harbor Freight carport. I gotta get this thing out of here. If you guys caught the last video, you saw where literally my last sentence, I think, was, at least it's still standing. It's no longer standing. This thing's pretty hammered. A lot of the posts are already broken on it. Wind and rain just pretty much tore this thing up. For today, in an effort to play with the mini excavator, we're gonna go ahead and get this mess cleaned up. I'm gonna get out as many of the bikes and projects out of here as I can. I can't even lift the side of this with how much water's on here. I don't know how much water that is, but there's a lot of tension on this. So we're gonna do what we can with the excavator and just rip this thing out of here. This should be a quick and easy little project. So let's get started. Got everything cleaned up here. I've got a bit of a mess to pick up, but at least it's all in manageable size pieces. Man, this thing does great. I'm very impressed by this. I mean, for 3,000 bucks, these things are awesome. And they fit everywhere too. That's the easiest part. I mean, you can easily fit this to a standard size residential fence. I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff here cleaned up, dispose of all this, and if you guys have any questions about the excavator or about this Harbor Freight carport, this thing did great. But if you guys have any questions about this, of course I have the video up here in the top corner of assembling this thing and getting it all set up. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if not, then thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his